Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to open up a private web browser using Safari on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the built-in web browser Safari. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari itself, click on Safari, go to the top navigation menu where we see File, New Private Window, click on this, and now it says the private browsing has been enabled. Before you do continue to the Google search, please read and then agree. And now we are ready to search in Google on Safari using the private web browser. So we can now quit Safari. That's all this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.